In this video, we are going to reset your Nespresso machine to factory settings. It works for all Nespresso compatible double button machines. These are the main brands. The factory settings for the short coffee button are going to be 40 milliliters of coffee, and the long coffee button will be 110 milliliters of coffee. We are going to need the Nespresso to be turned off, and we are going to hit the long coffee button for 5 seconds and the machine will start blinking rapidly. That will be the signal that we have done it right. We are going to start. At the end of those 5 seconds, the machine will blink quickly, and then it's going to blink normally. Now the machine is heating up to be able to make your coffee. Once your machine is warmed up, it's ready to make coffee with the factory settings. The small button 40 and the big button 110 milliliters. And that's it, ready to use. We hope it has been useful to all those Nespresso users. Best regards, and until the next video.